In this video, I want to show you how to find all the six trigonometric values of common angles. So what I basically did here is I put a big square root sign, and then I start from, for the first line I start from 0 up to 4, so it's gonna be 0 1 2 3 4. And then for the second line I start from 4 and I went backward, so it's gonna be 4 3 2 1 0, and all of this divided by 2. Now what I want to do here is on the top just write sine, that is going to be this one, and then on the bottom just write cosine, and I want to put all the, so what you want to do on top is just start from 0 and put all the common angle like pi over 6, pi over 3, pi over 4 and pi over 2. So I'm gonna start out with 0, and I'm gonna, so next angle is 30 degree, which is same thing as pi over 6, and then the next one is pi over 4, and this is gonna be pi over 3, and this is pi over 2. And this is basically it. All you have to do is just know how to draw this chart, and then you can pretty much find the trig value of any common angle. So let's say if someone asks you what is the sine of, let's say, pi over 6. So sine is right here and pi over 6 is here, so it's gonna be square root of 1, because that is square root on this big square root. Square root of 1 over 2, that, and square root of 1 is just 1 over 2, so that's gonna be 1/2. How about let's find cosine of pi over 6. So again, pi over 6 is right here and cosine is right here, and now there is 3, so it's gonna be square root of 3, because there is big square root here. Divide that by right here, divide by 2, and that's the cosine of pi over 6. I want to do like couple more. So how about sine of pi over 4? So what is that gonna be? Look here, sine is here, pi over 4, there is 2. I'm gonna put the square root of 2 over 2, and the sine of pi over 4. How about something like a sine of, let's say, how about something like sine of 7 pi over 4? So because there is pi over 4, it's gonna be same thing as sine of pi over 4, so it's gonna be square root of 2 over 2. However, it's either gonna be positive or negative. It depends on what quadrant you are in. So if you draw a little quadrant here, it's gonna be 7 pi over 4 is roughly gonna be here, so it's gonna be all the way up this angle. And since the y value is negative here, you have to put negative, because sine is the y value of this y value on the unit circle, so it's gonna be square root of 2, negative square root of 2 over 2. And I'm just gonna do like one more. How about cosine of, let's say, cosine of cosine of 5 pi over 6. So again, cosine of 5 pi over 6 is gonna be same thing as cosine of pi over 6. So I'm just gonna copy this square root of 3 over 2, and then since this 5 pi over 6 is roughly this right here, the cosine is negative on this quadrant. Cosine is negative on quadrant 2, so I'm just gonna put negative like that. So yeah, that's basically it. All you have to do is just know how to draw this, and then you can find the trig value of pretty much any common angle.